What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this absolutely awesome SAVILAND SSPro nail drill, which goes 45,000 RPMs and is a great tool for taking off your acrylic nails. It is portable, it is rechargeable, and let's open up the box and see what it looks like. This is a really cool nail drill kit, and it allows you to really transform your nail care routine quite easily. There are two different things that come in here. First of all, here is the nail kit. Here is the nail drill itself. It comes really nicely packaged, I should add. And then here is your nail kit. There's the cord, the charging cord, your nail file sleeves, all the different heads that you get, some more specialized nail drill heads, stainless steel nail drill heads, a lovely little brush for brushing off all the dust. So pretty. I love the purpley color. A couple of really awesome Excelsior nail files. Now these ones are the foam-based ones that have the rough sandpaper on each size, and they're shaped so you can really get into all the right edges. Now that we've got it out of the box, let's look at it all in detail. First of all, here is the nail pen. It's quite comfortable in my hand. I like the way that it is shaped to fit comfortably, almost like a big pencil, but really nice. It's not too heavy at all either. This is the control that does the talking between the pen and your controlling device. So we're going to take that off, stretch it out. It is a really nice length. It's probably about 4 feet long, which is considerable. Plugs in here on this end like that, and then it plugs in here on this end like that. Obviously this is your controller, a nice little plastic covering over top of this just to keep everything nice and shiny. So we'll take that off, take that off. Now there's a digital display in here that's going to light up, so let's turn it on. And immediately that gets it starting. Now you can pause it, go forward and back. And the display is really nice and easy to read. I also really like that it's got a battery display here, so it tells me how much charge I have on my unit. Super easy operation, literally just push to start, push to stop. Now, as far as the other pieces, you do get 6 of these metal drill bits. You get 2 of these really nice ceramic bits. This is your charging cord. These are your sanding bands right here. You get quite a few of them. You also get 5 polishing bits. I like that they all come in their own little individual case. I think that's super handy. Let's try one of these out. And then you also get this dusting brush, which is really nice. This is pretty much everything you need all in one kit to get beautiful nails. Let's open this up. I think it's pretty cool too that you've got this little kit that has quite a few things in here just to get you started. Now to switch out the drill bit head here, all you have to do is just give it a couple clicks and it slides out nice and easy. And then you can put in whichever drill bit you would like to use, like that. And you can twist it to tighten it up again, just like that. And then it's in there nice and sturdy. These are pretty awesome. I have to say I really like the quality of this. This has a rechargeable battery. It's going to give you up to 12 hours of use with this 3000 megahertz per hour rechargeable battery. It's going to take 2 hours to charge, and then if you're ready for a long manicure or pedicure session, you've got just about everything you need. I think the display is pretty fantastic. It's large and easy to read. It shows real-time speed and battery power. I think it's great if you're just getting started or even if you're a professional. The fact that this pen is light and weighs less than a pound means I'm not going to have a lot of tired hands using this, which is pretty cool. And the fact that it's a compact size means I'm going to be able to take it with me wherever I want, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. I'll probably truthfully just transport it in this little box here because it's nice and convenient. Now really quick, I just want to go over a couple things. A long press turns it on, and you can see from the display it's set at 43,000 RPMs. Now you can turn the RPMs up or down just by putting pressure on this little drill with your hand, up or down, just like that. Right now it's going reverse. That's what the R is there for. You can also flip it this way and it'll go forward. If you want to turn this off, a long press on this silver button at the bottom is all that it takes. Another cool piece of trivia about this fantastic little nail drill is that you can take off acrylic nails with this in under 3 minutes. If you're looking for a really cool nail drill that's either going to help you get great manicures at home with the acrylic nails, or if you're a professional who's looking for another one to pick up for your shop, maybe for home visits, this one here by SAVILAND is awesome, and it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.